Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, first of all, y'all probably gonna see this outfit in a couple videos, but hey, you know what it is. Y'all know I work a full-time job and I have to record when I record. So anyway, let me get to my spiel. Okay, this gotta be said. Okay, y'all know I'm the queen for stepping on toes, but at this point woo, I have to say it. All right, grab a chair, grab a seat, sit down. I don't know, get your inhaler. I don't know what you need to do, but I'm about to spill some tea. Now let's talk about these classes, virtual classes, also these classes that people pay for to learn a skill or something like that. Okay, now I'm gonna speak on this from my experience, and I'm gonna speak on it from other people's experience that I have spoken to that have been through it. All right, okay, so follow along with me. All right, so if you guys don't know, if you've been living under a rock or whatever, if you're just not into social media, whatever the case may be, there are big stylists, like big time stylists, and just people, stylists, makeup artists, and whatever the case may be, who charge certain fees to do either hands-on one-on-one classes. Some of them sell DVDs, some of them do like lives that you can get into for a certain amount of money. You know, ain't no shame, make that coin, sis, because look, you know what they say, it's money out here for all of us. But however I feel like that whole thing sometimes is a scammer. Okay, and I'm just saying that because I myself purchased a class. Okay, spent almost like, oh my god, it was over 2 something or whatever, almost close to 3 for a class from a big time hairstylist. Okay, so purchase this. It was supposed to be like a recording that they did or whatever. When I tell y'all, and it was about like hair and wigs and all that kind of stuff like that. When I tell y'all that this was I don't know what this was. Okay, first of all, this looked like some kind of bootleg footage. Okay, like I don't know, it was stopping, it was buffering, it kept freezing. You know what I'm saying? This person trying to lay the wig, and it's like, I'm like, okay, what's the next part? What's the next part? Or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like, at this point, now I'm getting pissed off because I done spent my money on this DVD that's supposed to be showing me how to slay this wig or how to start my own business or whatever the case may be, and it's obviously a scam. You know what I'm saying? It's obviously like it's not working. The person not even, pretty much they rambling on. They're not even really doing hair, like talking about, they all off topic. They doing everything else in the video. It's just it's just too much going on, and I'm like, I paid for this or whatever, and it seemed like in the video the person wasn't even trying to really teach or whatever. It was like, you really just trying to sell this product to get your coin up, or you really just trying to. I feel like it's one of them type of things where like you go to a new job and the person gonna only show you so much so you won't take their job, or so you won't know as much as they know. If y'all picking up what I'm putting down, that's how I feel. And it really made me upset because I'm just like, okay, so I mean, is this what we doing now? Is this what we doing? I mean, I don't know. It put a soft taste in my mouth about everybody, but I know everybody's not going to be like that. Everybody, DVDs, one-on-one classes, and lives are not going to be like that. However, some people have reached out to me and they've told me, hey, I went to this such and such, this wig making one-on-one class, and I didn't learn anything, or this happened, or that happened. You know what I'm saying? Like, just be telling me all this type of stuff. Or I got this DVD from this person and it was slow and it was buffering and they weren't showing me anything. They was just rambling in the video. You know, if you gonna have a tutorial, teach. If that's the case, these people need to get up on YouTube, and that's what I would recommend people do anyway. But like I said, I'm not gonna discredit a stylist, a makeup artist. I'm not gonna discredit anything that anyone does. But if you're gonna do stuff, do it right. Do it ethically. Don't just be putting up stuff out here just to make a coin. If you're gonna teach something, teach it. That's why people got trust issues now. And don't play with people money. Some of these people are charging so much money. Like, y'all, seriously, I had a friend who went to a class to learn lashes. The freaking class was like $600. $600. One day. Those for one day. 1 hour. Okay? So people are spending their hard-earned money, their time something you can't get back. Okay, and people just sitting up here half-assing it. Excuse my French, excuse my language, the Louisiana coming up out of me. See, I can't even speak. I can't. Can you speak, Ross? Okay, so I'm just like, why? What was the reason? Y'all know what I mean? What was the reason? You know what I'm saying? Like, if you don't want to do it, don't do it. But don't have people buying stuff like that. Don't even do it. Then you have previews up here, oh, selling this for this or selling this for that. Just like this girl told me, oh, I bought such and such a vendor list from this particular person, and it was all AliExpress vendors, or it was just people they bought off AliExpress, and then the thing said no AliExpress vendors. I'm just like, this is just too much or whatever. If that's the case, you might as well just go out here and just start gambling with your money, because this is basically what you're doing at this point. I don't know if everyone is going through this, but I know people have reached out to me. I done been scammed with a one-on-one DVD, you know, and I don't know. It's just, like I said, if you're going to teach somebody, teach you. I know that some people want to keep certain secrets secret. Some people don't want you to learn certain styles. I get it. But don't sit up here and act like that's what you want to do, and you make a tutorial, and I say that very loosely, and you're just BSing it just to say, oh, I got this on video, I'm selling this, and this my techniques, the secrets of the and it really ain't nothing. Like, literally, y'all, I wasted my money. I couldn't even finish the video I bought, okay? Like, at all. I couldn't finish it. I couldn't finish it, you know. I'm gonna just stop right here. Let me know if you guys have ever been through anything like this. Let me know if you guys have thought about paying for a one-on-one class, or paying for a DVD, or paying for some type of skill for someone to teach you, and you just felt like they didn't teach you anything, or you felt like they just half-assed it or something like that. Like, I really want to know, because people seriously reached out to me and said, Erin, look, this is what happened. Like, this is crazy. You know, and I'm just like, it is crazy. It happened to me. So I know it is. I ain't never buying no DVD again. I'm just going to have to learn through trial and error, because that's just too much. It's just too much. Like I said, people work too hard for their money to be out here for these people to be out here playing. Whew, child. Okay, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and log off. I know I probably stepped on some toes. It's all right. I'll be all right. Y'all will be all right. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Please also leave your opinion down below if you want to. If you don't, hey, it is what it is. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.